अस्सलामुअलैकुम, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करेंगे 11 क्लास की फिजिक्स के अहम तरीन शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन। ये एक मैंने रिसर्च किया और 50 शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन पूरी बुक में से निकाले हैं जो बोर्ड्स के अंदर, पास्ट पेपर्स के अंदर बार बार ये क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आप चाहें तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं, वीडियो को लाइक कर सकते हैं और बेल आइकन पे क्लिक कर सकते हैं। नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ 11 क्लास फिजिक्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, does a dimension analysis give any sort of information on constant of proportionality that may appear in algebraic expression? Explain. Question number 2, what are the dimension of pressure and density? Question number 3, define precision and accuracy. Question number 4, what are the dimension? Write any two uses of dimension analysis. Question number 5, define position vector and unit vector. Question number 6, the sum of three vectors gives a zero resultant. What can be orientation of the vectors? Question number 7, is it possible to add a vector quantity to a scalar quantity? Explain. Question number 8, suppose the sides of closed polygon represent a vector arranged head to tail. What is the sum of these vectors? Question number 9, if all the components of the vectors a1 and a2 were reserved, how would this altered a1 cross a2? Question number 10, define impulse and unit, show that how it is related to the linear momentum. Question number 11, at what point or points in its path does a projectile have its minimum speed, its maximum speed? Question number 12, differentiate between elastic and inelastic collision. Question number 13, differentiate between ballistic missile and ballistic trajectory. Question number 14, why fog droplets appear to be suspended in air? Question number 15, calculate the work done in kilojoules in lifting a mass of 10 kg through a vertical height of 10 meter. Question number 16, in which case is more work done when a 50 kg bag of books is lifted through a 50 centimeter or when a 50 kg crate is pushed through a 2 meter across the floor of 15 Newton. Question number 17, when a rocket re-enter the atmosphere, its nose cone becomes very hot. Where does this heat energy come from? Question number 18, a girl drops a cup from the certain height which breaks into a pieces. What energy changes are involved? Question number 19, what is moment of inertia? Explain its significance. Question number 20, what is meant by angular momentum? Explain the law of conservation of angular momentum. Question number 21, show that the orbital angular momentum L naught is equal to mvr. Question number 22, why does a diver change his body position before and after diving the pool? Question number 23, why modifies of the tire of moving bicycle, in what direction does it fly? Explain. Question number 24, what is the total displacement traveled by an object moving with shm in a time equal to its period if its amplitude is a? Question number 25, what is happened to the period of the simple pendulum of length is doubled? What happens if the suspended mass is doubled? Question number 26, does the acceleration of a simple harmonic oscillator remains constant during its motion? Is the acceleration over zero? Explain. Question number 27, explain the relation between total energy, potential energy, kinetic energy for a body oscillating with shm. Question number 28, describe some common phenomena in which resonance plays an important role. Question number 29, if a mass spring system is hung vertically and set into oscillations, why does the motion eventually stop? Question number 30, it is possible for two identical waves traveling in the same direction along a straight to gives a rise to a stationary wave. Question number 31, how beats are useful in tuning musical instruments? Question number 32, explain why sound travel faster in warm air than in cold air. Question number 33, why does the sound travel faster in solids than in gases? Question number 34, under the what condition two or more sources of light behave as a coherent sources? Question number 35, can visible light produce interference fringes? Explain. Question number 36, explain the whether the Young's experiments an experiment for studying interference or diffraction of light. Question number 37, could you obtain a Newton rings with the transmitted light? If yes, would the pattern be different from the obtained with reflected light? Question number 38, How would you manage to get more orders of spectra using a diffraction graphing? Question number 39. What do you understand by linear magnification and angular magnification? Explain how a convex lens is used as a magnifier. Question number 40. Why would it be advantageous to use blue with the compound microscope? Question number 41. One can buy a cheap microscope for a use by the children. The image screen in a such microscope have colored edges. Why is this so? Question number 42. Why does pressure of a gas in a car tire increase when it is driven through some distance? Question number 43. Specific heat capacity of a gas constant pressure is greater than the specific heat capacity of a volume. Why? Question number 44. Can mechanical energy be converted completely into heat energy? If so, example. Question number 45. Is it possible to construct the heat engine that will not expel heat into atmosphere? Question number 46. Why is the average velocity of a molecules in a gas is 0 but the average square of the velocity is 0? Question number 47. Define viscosity and drag force. Question number 48. What is difference between laminar flow and turbulent flow? Question number 49. Two robots moving parallel in the same direction are pulled towards each other. Explain. Question number 50. Explain how the swing is produced is fast moving cricket ball. Best of luck and Allah Hafiz.